Thank you very much for joining me today. My name is Felix Bliss. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can gather resources from online to create a simple birthday flyer. In this birthday flyer, I'm using Black Sherif, one of the best musicians in Ghana, and we are going to create this birthday flyer. Today is his birthday, so So the first thing I'm going to do right now is to set up my dimension. As usual, I go with 1000 by 1000 with orientation of this is a square dimension, so we will maintain the orientation this, and we will keep our resolution at 72. For printing purpose, you can change it to 300. Now we will maintain the background content as white, and then we will click on create. So this is what we have here. I'm going to set up my background, so I'll go here and click on this solid color. Now with this solid color, I don't need this one. So what I will do right now is I just need this solid color. So I'll click on this one to change it that way. If you need a color code for this, you can come here, and this is the color code. You can use it. Okay. So that is the first stage. Now the next step we are going to do right now is to create a frame for the picture. So I will go here, then I will create this particular frame. So with the stroke, I will choose black, and I will increase the size for my stroke. Control J. Then I'll reduce the size. Hold Shift plus Alt, then drag inward like this, so that you have something like this. Now from here, I will change the fill color to something like this. And the color code for this is this. Okay, so you can use that one as well. With this one, I will turn off the stroke here. Then what I will do is I'll right click on this one, go to blending option. From here, I'm going to add a shadow. So I'll click on this drop shadow. I'll double click on the drop shadow. Then I'll pull the shadow down like this. I'll just pull it here. You can use this place to change the angle. I prefer using it right here. I just need to drag the shadow here to change the angle and the distance. Okay. So now what we are going to do right now here is to add our Black Sherif. So I'll just drag his picture there. I've already removed the background, and I'm going to reduce the size like this. Then I can clip this one by pressing Ctrl Alt G. I'll reposition it this way, like this. Very simple. We are almost done with our birthday design. So what we need to do right here is to add the elements we are going to use for the design. So for this purpose, I will just need to drag the element. If you need the element or the things I use for this design, here in the description, so you can download them and use it. That's why I'm telling you that it's very simple. So I just need to drag the element and boom. Then I'll go here and change it to multiply. Okay. So from here, I need to work on this background. Always I tell you I don't like using the raw solid color. I just need to add some texture to it. So I'll go to my images and pick some texture there. So I have this texture. I can add it to my background. Then I'll change the blending mode to multiply like this. So look at before and then after. You can see there are a lot of changes there. Okay. Yeah, so we have this. So from here, I just need to add my balloons. So I will speed up. So it's just drag and drop. So I will speed up this process so that we can finish on time. So I'll change the blending option to darker color. Okay, like this. Then I'll create a mask. Then I'm going to brush the edges. Okay, I'll brush the edges here like this. From here, I'll go for another element. So this design is just about bringing your resources together, and then that's all. Okay, you don't need to do any extra difficult work. So I'll just take a portion of this image and I'll delete this. From here, I can place this one right here and increase the size small. Then I'll change it to darker color. And from here, I'll create a mask. Then I will brush this particular edges. Okay. So now look at this simple birthday flyer. So we can add the name of the person. Okay. Add the date here. Let's go for this color. And what I will do is I'll just make a copy again of this. Put this one up like this. Press U and then add some stroke to it. I'll increase the size of my stroke. Thank you very much. So this is very simple birthday flyer. I mean, it's very simple. Everyone can create this. All you need to do is just pick the information, then boom, you are done. So this is quite not difficult.